So we can copy our description here. As I said earlier, when you copy your description, then we can copy the content you have inside and place it inside our meta tag. Now, our meta tag, you have to activate the button at the top right corner there. So when you select it, you'll be able to activate our meta tag too by placing the content that we have copied from description. Then other settings can still remain the way it is. On this crawler and indexing, I will teach us how to utilize that one when we get the code that we'll be putting into the text there. The same thing applies to the other one. Then Google Search Console, I will also explain on that. In terms of monetization, we are talking of monetization, so this is where we are going to. But for now, don't yet activate your monetization because we have not yet get our ads code. So by the time we get our ads codes, we can come back to this monetization. I'll be explaining and give it to us in details how we can activate it by enable it there and placing in our ad codes inside it, the monetization ad codes that we get. So we'll place it inside this place. From there, we'll be able to monetize our websites. And here we have manage blog. Other informations can be getting from this place here. So site feed, the other things, all these other settings, you can just leave it the way it is. No need of adding anything. Right here now, we are talking of Google Trends. In terms of Google Trends, this is where we'll be getting all the latest information that is currently trending on Google. So yeah, with this Google Trend, I will be able to get the latest news going on out there that people have not yet cast it. So that when they get the information, they'll be able to come down to my own blog and be able to read about it. That is the strategy that you can use to drive traffic to your website or to your blog website. So in Google Trends here now, if you take a look at it, where here I was explaining how you can get latest information. If you see these places I have here now, they are already telling us the latest information. You can search them per category by years and the other kind of information that you want to get from Google Trend. You can input here. Let's say, for example, now I'll be typing in Nigeria in this place. So if it's telling us the latest information people are searching on Google about Nigeria, what is currently trending about Nigeria on Google. So if I say Nigeria, for instance, now it will load up and tell us in the next for the past 12 months in all categories, people that have searched so far, the places people are searching for most majority is at the top there. Then Nigerian Navy, people are searching for it. Use UK iPhone. They are also searching for latest Nigerian music 2022. They are searching for Nigeria versus Sweden. They are searching for almost a lot of things about Nigeria. So you can get it from Google Trend. Likewise, I can still come back to Google and search for Nigerian music. So if I type in Nigerian music, for instance, now it's going to be giving me more information about latest news on Nigerian music that is trending. So with this can be able to give us insight of what is currently reigning in town, so that people, when they search on the internet, they'll be able to find us talking about it. So these are some of the results that people are currently searching for recently on the internet about Nigerian music industry. So again, I will also go back to Google Trend dashboard. So when I get back there, I'll be searching for latest information about Davido, for instance. So if I type in Davido now, it will be giving me the latest information they are talking about Davido on the internet or on Google search. So if I search Davido to tell me how many numbers of people have made research about him so far, to tell me what are the latest updates about him that they are mentioning on the internet on Google search precisely. So here it's giving me the information. Recently, it has dropped very high here that people search a lot about him. So and here is dropping gradually. The number of people that search for the keyword David